Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. As we come to the end of the year, we wanted to do something that we haven't done yet on the channel. We wanted to take a look at our 20 best builds of 2020. So that's exactly what we're going to do in this video, except it's going to be all cinematic mode. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. All right, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this different style of video to kind of wrap up the year with builds, because I don't think we're going to be doing any more full builds before the end of the year. We've just got other stuff that we've got to do, and you know, like Christmas and holidays and all that stuff that happens at the end of the year. That's currently what the story is. And if you guys like the music you heard here, I make all the music. It's available over on Patreon. I'll also put a link to all 20 videos in the description with time codes, so you can have a look at all those videos and all of that stuff. And the reason why I wanted to do this was so we could take a look back and so you guys get inspiration for your 2021 build. So yeah, that's basically it for me. If you want to get early access to videos like this one, yes, this one, it's available over on Floatplane. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And yeah, there's a little bit of 2020 left, but I wanted to do this because I kind of planned on doing this from the start of the year, and I thought it would be a good way for us to take a look back at what happened during the year with our builds. Thanks for watching.